little hut. Should we move that one and put that one there? Oh, you're excited with this one. You like this one? Oh, you like this one. Wanna hang it? Okay, hold on. What do you think of that one, Ricco? We got him the natural. What do you think of it? I think he's having more fun playing with those things on the outside than the actual hut itself. What do you think? Wanna go check it out? Wanna go inside? There you go. Still not sure? Go ahead, see? Oh, what do you think? You like it? Better than the other one, or do you want me to put the other one back? I don't know if this one's as comfy, but it sure is neat. Do you like it? I think he's just gonna like chewing on it more, checking it out. It's kind of cool. I put it the same spot where the other bird hut was. Not sure which one he's gonna like. What do you think? You look pretty cute in there. Do you like that one better? Yeah? So Ricco, what do you think? I guess it's safe to say you like it? Yeah? Okay. We'll see in time which one you prefer. Maybe I'll switch it around. I'll put the link in the description because I got it off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in it. Hi, Ricco. He likes the toys. Okay, say bye, everybody. Say have a good day. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye.